Yes, guys, I can tell you that from my experiences, time alone is the best. Time alone is the best. Um, just you don't have to spend long hours. Me, I do two to 3 hours every day. By myself. Do some breathing exercise. Um, read. You know, observing. Now I become more and more in love with the universe. Can you enjoy this view, guys? You know, look at the structure of the trees. Look at this, guys. Just be grateful, guys. You know, enjoy, guys. And no more better life than now. And nothing better than now. Don't let your thought trick you. Don't let your depression put you down. Forget about them. They thought, they are idea. Just replace them with positive thought. Just say, I look good. I look good. I am good. I feel good. I am special. I am the best. I am valuable. All those is simple. It's kind of hard because when you say them, you don't really feel it. But keep going, keep going. Like you say, keep knocking. Persist. Have faith, believe in yourself. And no more than you. Anything out there is a reflect of you. Because when you close your eyes, you don't see nothing. I don't see you. But I feel something, I hear something, I smell something. All those things, come right in my memory, in my brain. Because we've been programmed for years. So anytime we see something, it just go into the memory. When we hear something, when we just touch something, when we smell something, just go back to the memory and look for the kind. If you want success, just say the word. Success, success, happiness, 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 joy. But now, now I don't say happiness, happiness. I say I am happiness. I am happy. I am expressing joy. Guys, let's be supportive, guys. Let's love one another. Be grateful. No matter the situation, always grateful. Always strong because you are the great I am. You are the Son of God, and nothing to stop you to enjoy your life. Come on, guys. Enjoy with me, guys. Love yourself. Enjoy yourself. Take some time for yourself. Be alone. Love your loneliness, because with your loneliness, you might see something special to do. You're gonna know yourself. You're going to understand yourself. Give friends a break. Give business, anything that make you overthinking, give them a break. Even reading, give all those a break. Alright? Love yourself more than anything else. Love everything else. Respect everything else. But with a limit. Guys, stay strong. You are the great I am.